Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can very easily disable keyboard sounds on any iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also put your likes under this video and be sure to write your comments after watching. So friends, let's get down to our topic. And first of all, you will need to on your iPhone open settings. Next, select sounds and tactile touch. Now scroll down a little bit. And you need to find this option here, which is called Keyboard Feedback. Please click on it. That will take you to the keyboard settings. And as you can see, here you can turn on or off the sound as well as the vibration. And in order to turn off the keyboard sounds, just click on this button right here next to the word sound. Then go back, and that way the keyboard sound will be turned off. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please give your likes, comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.